Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhedvlog, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this 3D rose. For this tutorial, I'll be using acrylic yarn, 5mm hook, scissors, and yarn needle. And let's begin. First step is to make a slip knot. Then make 51 foundation chain. This is how it looks like after completing the foundation chain. Next, skip the first chain from the hook, then make one single crochet on the second chain. Then proceed making single crochet in every stitch until you finish the end of the row. In total, you have to finish 50 single crochet. Next, chain 1 and turn your work. On the next row, skip the first stitch, then make one double crochet on the next stitch. Then chain 2. On the same stitch, make another one double crochet. Now let's repeat the pattern. Skip the next stitch, then make one double crochet on the next stitch. Chain 2. And on the same stitch, make one double crochet. Repeat the pattern until you finish the entire row. This is how it looks like after completing the row. As you can see, there are 2 stitches remaining. So skip the next stitch and then proceed on the last stitch and make one single crochet. Then, chain 2 and turn your work. On the next row, insert the hook on the space and make 7 double crochet. Next, make one single crochet on the next space. Repeat the pattern and complete 4 petals. Then after that, I will show you how to change color. Before completing the single crochet, now I'm going to change my yarn color into blue. To do that, attach the yarn by grabbing the yarn, then pull through. Repeat the steps and make 5 petals in color blue. So for the last 5 petals, I'm going to change color into white. In total, there are 14 petals. And now we're going to do the leaves. Before completing the single crochet, attach the green yarn. And then make 1 chain. Insert the hook on the next space then make 1 single crochet, then chain 1. Insert the hook on the next space and make 1 single crochet, and then on the next space make 1 single crochet, then 1/2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then on the same space make 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, then 1 single crochet. This is how we do the leaf. Again, let's repeat the steps. On the next space, make 1 single crochet, then chain 1. Then on the next space, make 1 single crochet, then chain 1. And on the next space, make another 1 single crochet. Now on the next space, we're going to do the leaves. First, make 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then chain 2, then 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, then 1 single crochet. Repeat all the steps to reach the end of the row. This is how it looks like. We make 5 leaves, and in the last space, make 1 single crochet, then chain 1. Then after that, cut the yarn. Make sure that the yarns are secured. What I'm doing here is I pull the yarn very tight and then I secure it by making a knot. Now we're ready to assemble the flower. So turn your work in the wrong side. Now roll it carefully and then make sure the bottom part was on the same level and position. Use a needle and make sure to weave in all the layers. And lastly, secure the yarn ends by doing a knot. And there you have it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to help my channel grow. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye!